Many people, picking up the phone and scrolling through social media is a mindless activity, and it's something we do for hours every day.
Yeah, today the U.S. Surgeon General stopped by Lincoln for a discussion on social media and how it's impacting young people across the country. 10/11 Samantha Burnt joins us live tonight here in the studio with more on that visit. Sam?
Today, dozens of people gathered at Bryan East to hear from Dr. Vivek Murthy about this topic. It's something he says kids and their parents are struggling with all over and is urging people to take action. As social media continues to grow, so does the number of kids logging in. But U.S. Surgeon General Dr. Vivek Murthy says while there can be benefits to using social media, there are harmful impacts on children.
Increase in risk of anxiety and depression symptoms, the effect on how kids feel about themselves, particularly about their body image, the erosion of time that was previously going to sleep and learning and in-person interaction.
Dr. Murthy says on average, kids are spending about 5 hours a day on social media, doubling the risk of anxiety and depression symptoms. In 2023, Dr. Murthy issued an advisory about the impacts of social media on youth mental health. He said up to 95% of kids between the ages of 13 to 17 use social media, with 1/3 of them using it constantly. Dr. Dave Myers with Bryan Medical Center says, along with those statistics, suicide and attempted suicide rates are rising in kids because of the pressures they feel from social media.
There's just a lot of push to, I want to be an influencer. I want to get this many likes. That's how I get some instant popularity.
And Dr. Murthy says it isn't a challenge for kids or parents to take on alone.
Social media has been around for 20 years. I think the fact that we have no meaningful safeguards that have been put in place by our federal legislators during that time period, to me, is outrageous.
Dr. Murthy says action needs to be taken on data transparency and safety and privacy standards, and that parents can set those limitations by implementing tech-free zones, while also teaching kids how to use social media responsibly.